Today I'm going to teach you how to play like Jimi Hendrix. There is a secret sauce, there's a formula, it works, I've learned it, it's beautiful. And I just reached 1,000 followers, so in celebration of reaching that milestone, I'm going to be dropping a bunch of knowledge in this video on your beautiful face. So let's get started. What is this formula? Very simple. Bass note, piece of a chord, a little dwiddly dwiddly. That's it. Bass note, piece of a chord, dwiddly dwiddly. Can't talk and speak sometimes. Bass note, piece of a chord, bass note, piece of a chord, dwiddly. That's it. Okay, and you can do this over any progression you want. So for this example, I'm going to be choosing A major, E major, F sharp minor, and then D major. That's it. So this is a great way to accompany yourself when you're singing or accompanying somebody else when they're singing. Instead of just playing chords, and there's nothing wrong with that. That's great. But if you want to take it up a step and if you're like, what else is out there? How do I play like Jimi? This is it. Bass note, piece of a chord. 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 That's it. You can try it with other progressions. So let's take something that's maybe a little bit different, maybe a little bit smaller, shorter. So let's go G, D, and then C. All right. So here's G. You got D, C, There you go. That's it. Bass note, piece of a chord, little dwiddly dwiddly. You can make up your own dwiddly dwiddly or you could learn something from Jimi Hendrix, but that is the formula to sort of synthesize and to sort of capture that Jimi Hendrixian sort of vibe. I hope that helps. Leave me a comment if you enjoyed this lesson and I'll see you in the next one. Once again, thank you for the 1,000 followers. I really appreciate you.